Up to 8,000 years ago, people first cultivated grapevines in what is now the Middle East. Today, 72 million tons of grapes are grown each year worldwide, mostly to produce wine. Every year, 7.2 trillion gallons of wine are produced. Grapes are also a popular finger food. In this video we will explore some interesting facts about grapes that you never knew yet. Let's start the video. Grapes are botanically classed as berries. Grapes appear in many colors: white, red, black, blue, green, purple and golden. There are 60 species and around 8,000 varieties of grapes that can be found throughout the world today. The two main types of grapes are European and American. They come in seedless and seeded varieties. American grapes are available in September and October, while European grapes are available round the year. Grape develops on the vine that can reach length of 15 meters or 50 feet. One vine usually produces 40 clusters of grape. Grapevine develops snake-like tendrils. They support growth of the plant by binding for the nearby objects and structures. Leaves are large, green and partially lobed. They have toothed edges. Grapevine produces small flowers that are arranged in clusters. Flowers contain both male, stamen, and female, pistil, reproductive organs, and they are able for self-pollination. Fruit grows in pyramid-shaped clusters. One cluster contains 75 berries on average. Grapes' berries can be rounded, egg-shaped or elongated. Berries of most types of grapes contain seed. Grapes consist of about 80% of water, which makes them a low-calorie food. Grapes are used to help cure asthma, indigestion, migraine, kidney disease and fatigue. Grapes help minimize the risk of heart attacks because they increase the levels of nitric acid in the blood, which prevents blood clots. The sweet and sour taste of grapes enlightens your mood and makes you stress and depression free. Grapes contain low levels of cholesterol, sodium, fat and are rich in vitamin K and C. Grapes are also rich in vitamin A, vitamin B complex and carotenes, phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, niacin, riboflavin, thiamine, calcium and minerals like copper, iron, potassium, manganese and several antioxidants such as resveratrol, anthocyanin and catechins, which give complete protection against many serious diseases. Grape seeds, which are edible, are chock full of antioxidants. Grape seeds also contain oils which are used in the cosmetic industry for the manufacture of skincare products. As one of the most expensive fruits in the world, the ruby Roman grapes are the most expensive. The grapes have been sold at auction for a record of 1 million yen, approximately $8,200, or $315 per berry. China is the greatest producer of grapes on the planet with 96 lakh tons in 2016. A scientific review published in the journal Trends in Genetics reports that most researchers believe grapes are at least 65 million years old. With their hieroglyphics, the ancient Egyptians have left visual traces of eating grapes and drinking wine. The production of wine from grapes started as early as 5000 BC. It takes about 1.1 kilograms or 2.5 pounds of grape for the production of 1 bottle of wine. Raisins are dried, sweet grapes. The drying happens naturally when the grapes are left in sunlight. Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel to get more interesting video like this. Press the bell to get latest updates. Share the video and give a like for grape. Meet you soon with a new video.